Hello, dear traders. I'm Maria Stradup, and this is the review of crypto analytics from fx.co. It's the 15th of May today, Monday, and our today's review we will start with some news about crypto king Kwon, who have been released from prison for bail, and then we will observe in detail technical picture and forecasts for Bitcoin and altcoin market, and forecasts for the near future from crypto experts. We will start with an article by Jakub Novak and some news. First, news about Kwon. Thus, a Montenegro court has accepted a 400,000 bail for Kwon and another 400,000 euro bail for Ho Chang-jun. And Kwon faces charges of fraud related to the collapse of Terraform Labs and document forgery. And the defendants confirmed their financial status in court, stating they have assets worth millions of euros and that their wives would pay the bail amount. They also pledged not to flee while awaiting trial, to regularly respond to court summons and be available at their registered addresses. The prosecution objected this, arguing that the proposed bail sum does not guarantee the defendants would honor the deal and they had no interest in remaining in Montenegro. However, the court decided the following way. And the defendants will be placed under house arrest, and should they escape or violate the supervision measures, the bail will be transferred to a special account without being returned to the guarantors. Okay, and now let's get to another article by Irina Maximova and talk about all cryptocurrency market. What have been happening during the last trading week and what are their forecasts. So first, Bitcoin, its behavior throughout the week was far from stable. Irina says, for instance, at the end of Wednesday trading session, it lost 4.96%. On Tuesday, the coin gained 0.25%. However, on Monday, the digital gold lost more than $1,000, falling below 28,000. The key reason for Bitcoin downtrend at the beginning of the week was rumors about a possible collapse of Binance, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Additionally, media reports have surfaced that the U.S. Department of Justice has begun an investigation against Binance on suspicion of violating sanctions against Russia. The key reason also for the Bitcoin downtrend on Friday was decline in U.S. stock market indices the day before. Notably, experts have recently observed a decreasing correlation between cryptocurrency and stock markets this year, and amid the current sideways movement of Bitcoin price. And also, analysts noted that the correlation between Bitcoin and Nasdaq also had plummeted. As for altcoin market, Ethereum, Bitcoin's main competitor, also started Friday with a decline, and at the time of writing, it was trading at the point $1,769 per coin. On Thursday, the cryptocurrency fell below 1,800 level. As for As for the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, all of them, except for a few stable coins, traded in the red zone. Over the past week, all coins in the top 10, except for some stable coins, have also incurred big losses, and Polygon led the decline list with a drop of minus 15.69%. What else should be said here? The forecasts, the analytical forecast. As for analyst predictions regarding Bitcoin's near future, most of them assume a positive scenario and speak of the virtual coin's resilience. Crypto experts claim that in the short term, the value of Bitcoin will be in the range of 27,000 to 28,500, and they are confident that Bitcoin had every chance of overcoming the bearish trend, but it will require strong catalysts that are currently missing in the markets. YouTube analyst Jason Pizzina is even more optimistic. He believes that even unfavorable events in the market will not be able to stop the digital gold rally, and the coin will soon reach $42,000. A similar opinion is held by BitMEX cryptocurrency exchange founder Arthur Hayes, who is confident that regardless of the financial path taken by Federal Reserve and US authorities, Bitcoin will rise to new price heights. And according to Hayes, this will happen in conditions of high inflation and an increase in the key interest rate, as well as in the case of decrease in inflation and lower interest rates. So the first cryptocurrency ended February with an increase of 0.9%. And for the first month in 2023, and gained almost 40% in price, making January the best month for it since October 2021. Notably, January-March of this year proved to be the best quarter for the coin since the beginning of 2021, with Bitcoin becoming one of the most profitable assets. The key reason for growth of the digital currency market since the beginning of this year has been the looming crisis and the traditional financial market. Today, stocks and bonds are going through a rather difficult period. That's why we are witnessing a constantly growing desire of investors worldwide to invest in virtual assets. Quite positive forecast. Let's have a look at the charts first of Bitcoin and then Ethereum for the moment. Bitcoin first, what do we see? Bitcoin spent the weekend around 26,600, 700, 800. And it opened today, the 15th of March, on the point 26,918 and went up. It made several green candles, and now it is trading at the point 27,480. So probably consolidation period of Bitcoin is over and it has resumed its bullish movement. Probably we will see. And let's have a look at the chart of Ethereum also. And we see, of course, the same trajectory like Bitcoin, and Ethereum spent the weekend around 1,800 area. Then it went a little higher, then a little declined again. It opened today at the point 1,799 and also rose quite significantly, and now it is trading at the point 1,830. Well, this is all for today. We'll see each other in our next review tomorrow. As usual, I wish you profitable trading. Have a nice day, and till next time.